Hello all, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a completely free WordPress website just like this. Locally on your system. So do follow this video. I highly recommend you also practice it what I am showing on this video alongside on your laptop. So that should be helping you knowing more about WordPress, and you'll be having a hands-on experience as well. And also if you are facing any issues, you can also comment on our comment sections. I'm always there to help you. So now to create a WordPress website, first thing that we'll need is WordPress itself. So we'll basically need two software. One is Xampp and WordPress. So in order to install WordPress, we'll need one PHP server. So for that we are going to use Xampp. So just go to your favorite browser and type over here Xampp. Download. So let's download our Xampp. Click on this download button. Our download will start in 4 seconds. Xampp is rightly started downloading. Next thing that you will need is WordPress. Just type WordPress. Download. WordPress. Download. So just simply click on this first one, download WordPress.org. So here we will see this get WordPress. So latest version of WordPress is 6.7.1. Click on that. So our WordPress is also rightly started downloading. So let's go to our download directory. We have already Xampp downloaded over here. Let's double click on Xampp. It will ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. Welcome to Xampp. Welcome to Xampp setup wizard. Click on next. So everything is fine. Click on next. So it's going to create a Xampp folder, which is fine. Click on next. So default language will be English. If you want to change to Dutch, you can do that. Click on next. Ready to be installed. Click on next. Welcome to Xampp. So by the time our Xampp get installed, our WordPress is also downloaded over here, a zip file. Just right click and click on extract all. Click on extract. So if I minimize this download directory, you can see our WordPress is rightly extracting, and here our Xampp is also installing. So it's going to take some time. Let's wait for some time over here. So we'll come back. So now you can clearly see that our WordPress is rightly extracted, and here is our WordPress folder. So all files and folders are over here, but our Xampp is still installing. So let's wait for some more time. So welcome back. Welcome back once again, guys. So now you can see that our Xampp is rightly installed. So do you want to start control panel now? So click on finish. So that should be launching our control panel. So our control panel is rightly launched. So let's start our Apache and MySQL. So both our Apache and MySQL are now rightly started. So for MySQL, you'll see an admin button over here. Let's click on this admin button. So that should redirect this localhost PHP MyAdmin on our browser. Here let's click on new to create a new database, and let's give the database name as WordPress, and you can just simply click on create. So that should be creating a database called WordPress. And now let's minimize this and So this is, remember, we have extracted this WordPress folder, so just cut this folder and let's go to our C drive, and within that you will see a Xampp folder over here. Let's go inside that Xampp folder. Here you will see a htdoc folder. Go inside that htdoc folder, and now just simply right click and paste that WordPress folder over here. So WordPress folder is rightly over here. Here it contains all files and folders. All you need to do is you need to go to your browser all over again, open a new tab, and just simply type localhost/WordPress and hit enter. So now we are installing WordPress. So that should be opening this page. So we are currently installing WordPress. So here you need to select one language, and I'm going to select English and click on continue over here. So here you need to provide all this necessary information like database name, database username, password, host name, table prefix, and everything. I'm going to show you all of that, don't worry. Just click on let's go. So here, remember that database name that we have created, WordPress. So that same thing is what you need to type over here, WordPress. And username, you need to type root, and password you can keep it blank, and just simply click on submit. So that should show you this screen like alright, Sparky, you have made it through the part of this installation. Just simply click on this run the installation, and immediately it's going to start showing this page. So here you need to provide your site title. So let's give our site title something like, let's say Dr. Web, and username we can give simple something like root. I'm going to use it only locally on my system, so I'll give a very easy username as root, and password also as root. I'll confirm use of weak password. Give some email ID. I'll give something like example@gmail.com, and click on install WordPress. So that should be immediately starting installing our WordPress. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our WordPress has been successfully installed. So let's just simply click on login, and let's give our login ID and password. So I'll click on remember me and click on login. And we are successfully logged in into our WordPress dashboard. So welcome to WordPress. So here if you hover over this Dr. Web and click on visit site, so that's going to show you this site that is already up and running. Currently we don't have anything, just have a simple and a sample page. So let's install a couple of plugin and theme. So just go to plugin and click on install plugins. Here let's click on this add new plugin, and just simply type over here Elementor. So that should show you this Elementor website builder. So let's install Elementor, and you can see that our Elementor is slightly installed. Let's activate our Elementor. You can close all these different tabs now. So there you go, Elementor is slightly installed. So close this also. Let's hover over Dr. Web and click on dashboard. So go back to plugins, install plugins. So Elementor is slightly installed and it is also activated. Let's install one very popular theme. So let's go to appearance and click on theme, and we'll be installing a very popular theme called OceanWP Ocean. So just click on add a new theme, and here you'll be able to see a lot of things. So on my previous videos I have showed you about this cadence. I have also showed you about Astra theme. So in this video I am going to show you about OceanWP. So just click on install. If you want, you can also check all these different themes that are available. So these are all very popular theme. You can try and test all these different themes. So if you need a video on any specific theme that you want, so that also you can mention. Bloxy is also another very popular theme. Alright, so you need to just mention on comment sections. I'm going to happily make another video for that as well. So you can see you have lot of options over here. So here you can see that our OceanWP is now directly installed. Just click on activate. So awesome. So you are amazing. Thank you for installing OceanWP. Just simply click on install and activate Ocean Extra. So thank you for updating to OceanWP. Just simply click on allow and continue. And there you go. So thanks. Everything is fine. So here if you scroll down, you can see that this is our OceanWP panel. So you can also upgrade to their premium version, or else you can just try with the demo first, and then when you are ready you can upgrade to their premium. So let's click on this install demos. So here you'll be able to see all these different templates that are available, right? So all these different templates, so like these are all like e-commerce, so you can always select from here. Let's say you select e-commerce, so these are all sample templates that are available for e-commerce. Let's say you want to check this out, just simply click on live preview. So first check how it's going to look. So it's going to look something like this. So if you click any of the product, so it's going to show something like this as our product page and all this stuff. All right, so that's about e-commerce. So let's say you want to create a blogging website, just type blog and you can see all these different templates that are already available. Like let's check out this personal, click on live preview, and that's how it's going to look, our blogging personal website template. So if you click any of the item, so you can see that it's very beautifully designed blogging website with comment sections and everything, right? So just try it out, see their live preview how it looks, and then you import it. So I'll switch to all, and I am going to use this template called architect. So I'll click on live preview, and this is how it's going to initially look our website. So I'm going to import this, and then I'm going to modify this as per our requirement. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to click on import over here. So that should be showing this page. So here you need to click on this install now. So that is Ocean social sharing. Similarly, you need to also select WP forms. So click on that, and these are the paid one. So you need to purchase OceanWP to get this Ocean sticky header. So you can see our Ocean social sharing is rightly installed. Now it's time for WP forums. Thing is, you need to have active internet connection. It's going to take some time. So you can see everything is now installed. Just simply click on go to the next step. So here it is telling that whether you like to import all these different things like XML data for pages, posts, image, menus, everything, then import customizer settings, import widgets, import contact form, everything you want. Just simply click on install this demo. Immediately you'll see importing our XML data. Once when it get done, you will be able to see that our architect template that we have selected will be imported as our own website, so that we have created as Dr. Web. All right, so let's wait for some time. It's going to take some time, about 5 to 10 minutes, I would say. So have some patience and wait for some time. By the time it get import, I'll request you, please do consider subscribing our channel Geeky Syntax. So here also regularly I'm posting a lot of videos. You can see I have made other videos on WordPress e-commerce tutorial, creating a product listing page. Here is another video on WordPress. So here is a video about CodeIgniter. So all these videos you'll see on this channel. So I highly recommend you to subscribe this channel. And also, if you're interested, you can also subscribe Geeky Script blogging channel. And here in this Geeky Script channel also I am posting a lot of videos. So here is another video about how to create a free e-commerce website. So this is a very detailed 1-hour video. So if you watch this video, I can guarantee you will be learning a lot of new things about WordPress. So I highly recommend you to watch this e-commerce website. Alright, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. So there you go. So you can see our import is successful. Just simply click on see the result, and you can see that our website is completely imported over here, right? So everything is properly imported. You can so this is our home page, so you can go to that portfolio page. So this is our website. All right, currently you can see this is Dr. Web, so we're going to modify it and make it Dr. Web. So yeah, so this is our portfolio page, this is our about us page. So our template is properly imported, and we need to just modify this template now. Just you can also check the blogging page. So click on that, you can see this is our blogging page. You can click any of the blog item, and here is our blog. So you can see it is very nicely designed, right? So you can navigate to previous blog by just they have shown this section called you might also like. So all the previous blogs that we have created, you can just easily navigate to all those different blogs by simply clicking on that. I'm going to show you how to create a new blog page. Don't worry, just keep watching this video. You click on contact us. So here is our contact us page, and here is our all social icons like x.com, Facebook, Instagram and all. So let's modify our home page first. Go to home page and click on edit with Elementor. Yeah, just simply click on skip. So here first they have given this image. We'll change that image. Before that, we'll also change this title first. So I'll change it from Dim Architect with the Dr. Web. And similarly, you can also change this text also. Just to select this and you need to write your own text over here. I'll give a dummy text over here. So I'll just simply copy this text from here, and I'll just paste it over there. Alright, it's a dummy text. So yeah, so that's how you change text. Let's change this image. So click on this icon over here. So that should show you this edit section over here. You need to switch to style tab, and here you can see all these 3 images are added as a slideshow, right? So let's remove all this image and we'll add our own image. So you can download a lot of images from a very popular site called Pixabay. So let's go to official site of Pixabay and let's type something like, let's say, website. So yeah, so you can see we have lot of website template. It is showing up over here. You can select any one. Let's select this one. You can select any image. All right, I'm just giving a demo over here. So let's download this. click on this icon now. In upload files, click on select files, and on our desktop you can see image is slightly uploaded over here, downloaded over here. Just upload this image on the website, create a new gallery, insert, and you can see our image is slightly added over here, right? So if you just simply click on publish, and if you go to this see result, already you can see that our image is now replaced, right? So but it is a little dark in color, so what you can do is you need to again go back to click on this edit section, scroll down, you will get a background overlay over here. So click on that, and you can see that it is selected as a color. So what is actually happening is, first they have added the image, and on top of that they have added a thing called background overlay. So it is a black in color, and they have given a opacity of 0.65. so if you remove everything, you're going to see nothing, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it something like this, and I'm going to change this color to blue color. All right, so you can change it from here. So yeah, sorry, change to white. Yeah, so this is what I want. So I want to make like something like this, and yeah, right. So in this way you can change the opacity and all. Then scroll down, here is our story. You can change this image, just click on this, here is our image. I'll going to delete this, and I'll go back to Pixabay account, and this time I'm going to download another image. So let's download this one. Click on download, and let's click on choose image over here and go to upload files, and let's upload our image. So our image is slightly uploaded over here. Click on select, so our image is slightly changed, right? Alright, so similarly, like as I have showed you over here, you can just select each of the section. Like let's say you want to change this heading, you need to select that, and you need to change the heading from here. You can change the text as well from here. Alright, so next let's change this also. Select this, so select this, and click on this section, click on this here, and you will see all titles and everything are rightly added over here. So here you can see that one href is added. You can change and you can give some HTTPS URL over here, so that when you click on this link like outstanding outcome, so that's going to redirect to that URL. You can just do that. Alright, so I'll just give you a demo. Like let's say I'm removing this hash with, let's say www.google.com. This is just a demo I am showing. Alright, so you should be doing your own. So I'll click on publish, and now when I go back to Dr. Web, I'll refresh this. First thing that you will see is that our this picture is slightly changed, and here is also changed, and here that I was talking about, when you click on this outstanding outcome, it's going to redirect to google.com. So currently you can see that it is not working because it is appending google.com after this WordPress slash. So what you can do is you can just simply type https:// and save this, click on publish. Let's refresh our site, and now if you click on outstanding outcome, you can see that it is redirected to google.com, right? So yeah, so that's how you update any link. So you need to provide https:// and then give link. Similarly, you can update all these different things as well, like different point that you are illustrating, like how like the key features that your product is having, so you need to mention all that. And you can also update all these things. I'm going to show you, I'm going to remove all the stuff from here. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on cross. So I'm going to remove all the stuff and I'm going to add one brand new section over here, and I'm going to show you how you can add image, how to add text, everything. So here just simply click on this plus icon, and here is our flex box and grid. Let's select grid and let's create something like this. So you can see we have two sections now. This is the first, this is second. So here first click on this plus icon, so that should show you this element over here. Let's drag our container over here, so our container is rightly added. Let's again click on this plus icon. So let's say we want to this time insert one image, so just select this image and drag it over here. So a sample image is rightly added, but this time it is not showing any image, so we need to add one image. So let's again go to our Xampp. This time maybe we can download something like, let's say this. So download it, add that image over here, choose image, upload files, select our image, click on select, image is rightly added over here. Let's say here you want to add some text, so click on this plus icon first and first drag a container over here, and within that container again click on plus, and let's say you add this text editor. So here you can edit this text. So this time let's say I want to copy all this stuff, copy this and just simply paste it over here. So our text is rightly added over here, you can see, right? So yeah, so next I'll going to show one more thing. So I'll create another section. Again it will be a grid and a couple of section maybe, and here similarly I'm going to drag one more container, and this time I'm going to add a video over here. So I'll go to I'll click on this plus, and instead of image I'll add a video. I'm going to show you how you can add video, right? So immediately you'll see one sample video is added over here. So you can link to your own video. Let's say I'll link to this video, so I'll copy this link address and I'll remove the existing link with my own link. So you should be giving your own link. See, my video is now embedded over here, right? So that's how you embed in video. You can add some description here as well, like just click on this, first drag a container over here, and then you can drag one text editor, and let's copy all the stuff from here from a video description. So let's add this entire table of contents. So instead of this, let's add all the stuff. So you can see that it is rightly added now. So yeah, so that's how you embed in a video. Similarly, you can also change all these different background image. Let's change this image. So click on this icon, go to style, and let's choose one image. So we need to first download one image from Pixabay first. This time let's download some image like this maybe. Let's download it and let's import it. Go to upload files, let's import an image and select. So you can see our image is rightly changed now. You can also change background overlay as I have showed you previously. Make it something blue, that should be looking good, and you can reduce the opacity as well. So yeah, that's how it's going to look, right? So similarly, you can also add some things on our latest project. You can change image as I have showed you. You can also update this contact us. So let's change this image to something useful. So we'll again go back to Pixabay and we'll choose this time maybe something like let's say this. Download. So click on this icon, go to style, delete this image and click on choose image. We'll go to upload files and upload this brand new image. Go to select. So you can see our image is rightly added now, right? Here also you can add some background overlay. So click on classic and make it blue and we'll reduce opacity a bit. So yeah, so that's how it's going to look, right? So click on publish and let's check our home page. So I'm just giving a demo over here. You should be designing as per your own requirements. I'm just showing how you can do it. So I'll refresh my home page. So you can see that this is how it's going to look, right? So here the embedded image that I have talked about.
Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to show you.
Alright. Now let's change our logo. So currently a logo it is showing as architecture. So we want our own logo, right? So how to do that? So for that, you need to click on this customize. So that should be opening this panel over here. Here you can click on this icon. So you can see here we have logo, then here we have a retina logo. So here is a logo added over here. You can simply click on remove this logo. We don't want that old logo, we want our own logo, right? So yeah, so you can see immediately it is telling like Dr. Web. So from the title it has taken that Dr. Web, right? You can easily click on this textual logo, click on that, and you can increase the font size, So that's one way to change your logo, or else you can upload your own logo. So just go to Pixabay and this time let's download or let's search something like website logo. I'm just giving a demo over here. You should be having your own logo, right? So I'll just show you something like, let's say you download this and smaller size, and let's open this file in Paint. And let's select this image and decrease the size, and let's write something like our own text like Dr. Web, and I'll select this, make the font a little bigger, little bit more bigger. So I'll put somewhere here. I want to make this font a little more bigger, like maybe 100. So this is fine. I'll place it over here. I'll also, decrease this something like this. It should be fine over there. One more thing that I want also, it should be fine. So now I'll just save this file, save as a PNG on our download directory. I'll give it a name as drweb.png. File is rightly saved over here. So you can see, like, quickly I have created one logo. So I'll just add that logo. So I'll go to this customizer and I'll click on the select logo. So now I'll go to upload files and I'll select one logo. So here is our logo. Click on select. So find, crop image, skip cropping, and you can see our logo is rightly added over here. Similarly, let's remove this retina logo. And our logo is rightly added over here, but it is little bigger in size, so we need to decrease this size to somewhere over here. So this is fine. Click on publish, and now if you just refresh this, just go to this visit site, you can see that our Dr. Web logo is rightly added over here, right? So in this way you can change your logo and you can update your home page. Now let's change our portfolio. So currently it is showing something like this. Click on edit with Elementor. So our Elementor is rightly open for a portfolio page. If you want to change background image for this, you can always click on this, click on style, and you can add your own image as I have shown you on previous slides. Similarly, you can after all projects you can add a new section over here, right? You can add this time maybe text editor, and within over here you can add all the different points like bullet points. So you can select something from here, like bullet points, lowly on it. So just select this, add some bullet point from here, copy this, paste it over here. So all bullet points are directly added, right? So select this icon and just simply do copy and V. So now you will be having two more same thing. So let's Ctrl Z. We don't want same thing, we want one more container over here, so we'll add that container and we'll give some heading like first add a heading, and we'll add a heading like Dr. Web Projects, right, and we'll make it as an h1 tag. We'll go to style and we'll make it in center. Blend mode, we'll make it not darken, maybe difference. We'll change the color to white, and we also need to increase the size a bit. So we'll go to this typography and we'll increase the size, something like this. And now if you click on publish, and if you refresh, just go to visit site, and if you refresh to our portfolio, you can see that it is properly added, right? But this color is little unreadable, so you can always change this color. Just click on this icon and go to style, and let's change this color to white. Now it is properly visible, right? Yeah. All right. So let's change our contact us image as well. So like one that we have used previously. So we'll delete this and we'll choose from the previous image like this. Select, so publish. So now if I just simply refresh this, see that all these texts are properly corrected and our contact us image is also changed. So everything is fine. Let's select about us. So similar way you can change all this stuff. I don't want to make this video too long, so you can also change one blog. You can also change blog page as well. So I'm going to show you how to create a brand new blog. So for that, just go to WordPress dashboard and go to posts over here and go to posts over here. So here just click on all posts. So already you will see all these posts that are already written over here. So if you click on view, so that's going to open this post. So you can see all these posts over here. So what you can do is you can install one plugin called go to plugin and click on install plugins and go to add a new plugin, and this time there's one plugin called post duplicator. So we'll see this popular plugin called duplicate post. Just click on install. And let's activate it as well. So our plugin is now actually activated. Let's go to all post now. And here you will see one new option called copy. So you can just simply click on copy over here. So please wait, copying our post. So now you can see that same post draft is now created. This time you can always click on this quick edit and you can change all this stuff and you can make your own post now. So I'll make something like hello world I'll also rename this slug to hello dash world, and all other things I can keep default. You can change it from design to anything. Let's say this time you can change this category also. You need to just create a new category. You can add that. You can add some tag here as well. Let's add some tag called take, and everything is fine. Status for the time being, keep it draft and click on update. So immediately you'll be able to see that it is actually created. You can have a preview of that as well. Just click on preview, and here is a preview tag of our hello world, right? So you can change all this stuff here as well. So just click on edit post. So click on next. So here is our sample text, that is the existing text. So you need to select all this text. I need to add your own text, so I'll select all the stuff, and I'll copy probably this paragraph. Alright, just as a demo. So I'll paste that over here. So text is now rightly updated. I'll just simply click on publish. So it's rightly started publishing, and when I click on view post, you can see that our new post hello world from our user root. Here it should be showing your own user, so that post is now rightly created. So like similar all other posts, so this new post is also created over here, hello world, right? Similarly you can create your own post as well. And if you switch to some other post, so on recent posts, so one new post is also showing, which is hello world. So when you click on that, so it will redirect to our newly created post. And when you click on blog, so you'll see one new post called hello world, which is created just today. So that is also showing, right? So in this way you can easily update your blog. You can also update your contact us page like that I have showed you previously. You just click on edit with Elementor. You can change all the stuff. You can change your address and everything. So I'll show you how to change address as well. So just go to edit with Elementor. Here you need to just simply select each of this element. You can change the icon also if you want. You need to select this text over here. Just type your own text, right? So let's say India, Mumbai. You can give your own pin code. You can give your own phone number. So all these things you can do. Alright. So yeah, that's how you create a website like this, or completely free locally on your system. If you need to know how to deploy this type of website, I highly recommend you watch this video. So here in this video I have deployed this entire website on Cloudways. So I highly recommend you follow this video. So once when you are done creating a website like this, when you are good to go, you can just deploy this entire site to some hosting provider. Alright, so that's pretty much all about this video. Hope my videos are helping you. Do consider subscribing our channel. Geeky Syntax, that will really motivate me to make more and more this kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.